1.
Create 3D mesh. Pick a thing. Add rig.
Find that in the description.
2.
On your rigged mesh, pose mode, your joints, adjust timeline, auto keyframe, location or rotation, dope sheet, keyframe the start and end, save as opened, animate 1 closing, 1 opening, 1 closed. Open a new Sims 4 Studio. Clip pack, clips, add. Import all clips. Rename them. Clips, update all actor names. Store actor name, clip name, source asset name. Repeat for all. Save. Select clips and snippets. Batch export.
3.
Back on your object. Batch import clips. Batch import Pixified files.
Find that in the description.
Object tuning. Rename tuning. Copy tuning. Object definition. In tuning, paste. Update instance name. Hashgen it. High bit. Get a letter to start. Copy FNV64. In instance, paste. Object catalog. In instance, paste. Rename object state tunings. Interaction tunings. Animation tunings. And animation state machine. Copy animation state machine name. Hashgen. Copy 64. In instance, paste. Animation tuning. Paste ASM instance. Repeat for all animation tunings. Update actor names. Object state tuning. Replace with your object state tunings. ASM. Replace actor name. Replace opening clip, opened clip, closing clip, and closed clip. Replace matching source assets too.
4.
Interaction tuning. Place a object state tuning. And at the bottom, paste opposite state tuning. Update display name.
Find that in the description.
Do the reverse in the other interaction tuning. Object tuning. Replace object states. And animation tunings. Update super affordance with both interactions. Done! Phew! On to something a bit lighter, yeah?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.